Hello everybody and welcome to Cinema Samosa and Sarcasm. This long weekend, Kabil and Raees are both here to give each other tough competition at the box office. Yes, it would have been a better idea to space out the release of both the films because both the films are definitely worth a watch. Kabil is all about the acting prowess of Hrithik Roshan. He has once again proven that his acting capabilities are far superior than most others. As a blind person, he has perfected the smallest of nuances.
आदमी का खुद पे भरोसा उसकी ताकत होती है.
The first half of the film is a cliched love story which does not excite you or entice you at all. The only scene that stands out in the first half is the one in the mall, and that is purely because of Hrithik's emotional performance.
दो negatives positive कैसे हो सकते हैं?
The second half of Kabil is where the film actually picks up because how as a blind person Hrithik manages to take revenge is what is exciting to watch. He gets beaten up more than he packs punches and that gives a realistic feel. But that apart, there are a lot many cinematic liberties taken in this film. Yami Gautam's perfect hair and makeup despite being blind is a big part of the cinematic liberty taken in the film. Hrithik Roshan's dance moves are yet another one, but Hrithik fans would not complain. They would just be happy to see his moves. Because hey, at the end of the day, it's just a film. The villains of the film, Rohit and Ronit Roy, do a decent job. Ronit Roy, the elder brother, has proven that he's a far better actor. But during the blast, Ronit and his bodyguard keep standing tall. Guess the director forgot that they were standing so close to the blast site.
ये खेल उन्होंने शुरू किया था. तमाशा आप लोगों ने देखा. खत्म मैं करूंगा.
The cop in the film couldn't care less to register the rape complaint of a blind woman, but is super efficient when it comes to solving murder mysteries. Yes, it's sad, but it just shows the MCV mentality of a society. Also, they could have cast a better actor as the cop. So, whether you're a Hrithik Roshan fan or not, this one is a must-watch only and only for Hrithik Roshan. Unfortunately, the rest of the film and the star cast do not really match up to Hrithik's efforts.
बस एक बात और, इस गेम में कोई लाइफलाइन नहीं होगी सर.
If you were to do a comparison between Raees and Kabil, which is basically not fair because they are both different genre films, but since they're released on the same day, comparison is inevitable. I would like to say that Raees is more Kabil than Kabil. That is if you have to make a choice. If not, do watch both the films in the theatres and enjoy your weekend. I'll see you soon at the movies.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from BBD Television.